Today, we're going to create something new and amazing, completely for free. First, take a look at this YouTube channel called Exploration Films. It has over 127,000 subscribers, and as you can see, it's fully monetized. Its estimated monthly revenue is around $7.5K
per month,
which is very impressive. You can create the same style of videos without any difficulty. If you look at the channel, you'll notice that the videos are high quality and performing extremely well. The creator uploaded different types of content before, but after switching to this trending style, the channel started getting excellent views. You can also create these trending videos with ease, and in this complete course, I'll show you the entire process step by step. If you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Also, the prompt is one of the most important parts of this method, and I'll explain exactly how to use it. So let's get started and learn how to create these trending videos from scratch. First, open ChatGPT. After opening it, copy the green prompt. Once you've copied the green prompt, simply paste it into ChatGPT without changing anything. After you paste it, ChatGPT will ask for your YouTube channel links. Next, open YouTube and copy the link of a channel that creates the type of videos you want to make. Then copy another similar channel link as well. Paste both links into ChatGPT. After a few moments, it will analyze both channels and start generating a complete video plan based on their style. Now, copy and paste prompt 1, prompt 2, and the green prompt together. ChatGPT will automatically analyze the characters and generate everything you need, including image prompt 1, image prompt 2, image prompt 3, video prompts, and image prompts. It's a great workflow for creating high-quality AI image and video prompts. Once your image prompts are ready, the next step is creating the images. For this, we'll use Leonardo.ai. Log into Leonardo.ai, select the Phoenix 1.0 model, and set the image size to 9:16 if you're creating YouTube Shorts. Then paste each prompt one by one and generate the images. As the images are created, you'll notice that the character remains consistent throughout all the scenes. Leonardo AI is one of the best platforms for creating stunning AI-generated images and videos. It offers high-quality visuals, cinematic styles, fast rendering, and easy-to-use tools. Whether you are making YouTube content, animations, thumbnails, or creative artwork, Leonardo AI helps transform your ideas into professional results quickly and efficiently. As you can see, all the images are now ready, and the character consistency is maintained. The image generation process is complete. Now that the images are ready, let's move on to the next step: how to create the videos from these images. Now, let's create the AI videos. The best website I recommend for this is Symphony Creative Studio first. Open the website and click on Get Started. You'll be asked to enter your email address and password. After signing up, a verification code will be sent to your Gmail. Simply enter that code to complete the login process. As you can see, my account has 1,000 credits. It costs 5 credits to generate a 5-second video and 10 credits to generate a 10-second video. This means you can create around 200 5-second videos or 110 second videos with a single email account. Now, let's start creating the videos. First, click Create, then select Image to Video. Upload your image, paste the video prompt, and choose the video duration, either 5 seconds or 10 seconds, depending on what you want. After that, click Next, and your video will start generating. While the first video is being processed, you can upload another image, paste the next prompt, and click Next again to generate another video. This way, you don't have to wait for one video to finish before starting the next. As you can see, the first video is already finished, and the result looks amazing. After a short time, the second video is also ready. In the meantime, I've already uploaded the third image, so the next video starts generating immediately. Using this workflow, you can create AI videos quickly and efficiently without wasting time. Now, let's move on to another AI video generation website. It's called ElevenLabs. This is a well-known and reliable platform that many creators use, and will use it as well. You can also use it for free, and the video quality is excellent. First, open ElevenLabs. When you create a new account, you'll receive 50 free credits to get started. Now, let's create a video. First, choose the video size. I'll create a 16:9 video as an example. Next, copy both the video prompt and the image prompt, then paste them into the prompt box. One advantage of ElevenLabs is that you don't always need to upload an image. It can generate videos directly from your prompts. However, if you want a consistent character throughout your video, I recommend uploading the images you created earlier. After pasting the prompts, click Generate. It only takes a short time, and your video will start generating. As you can see, the video is now ready, and the result looks amazing. Now, I'll create another video. This time, I'll select the 9:16 aspect ratio for YouTube Shorts or Reels. Then I'll paste another prompt and generate the video. You can use ElevenLabs for free in a smart way. As you can see, I have several web browsers installed. Simply log in with a different Gmail account in each browser, such as Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, or any other browser. Since every new account receives 50 free credits, you can continue creating videos without waiting. Here I'm generating another video in a different browser, and after a short time, it's ready. As you can see, the result is excellent. This is how you can easily create high-quality AI videos using ElevenLabs. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Thank you for watching. Now, let's generate the voiceover. For this, we'll use AI Voice Generator Unlimited. I'll show you this tool because it's one of the best options, and the great thing is that you don't even need to create an account. First, I'll copy the script from ChatGPT. Then I'll open AI Voice Generator Unlimited and paste the script into the text box. Next, I'll select the Blaze voice, which is my favorite because it sounds very natural. For the voice style, choose storytelling or motivational, whichever suits your video best. Then click Generate Voice. It only takes a short time for the voice to be generated.
One sunny morning, 4 tiny insect adventurers set out on a magical woodland journey. The brave green caterpillar explorer discovered an old acorn map hidden beneath a giant mushroom. Excited by the discovery, he invited his 3 best friends to help find a legendary golden acorn said to bring happiness to the entire.
As you can hear, the quality is excellent, and our voiceover is now ready. Now it's time to edit the video. We'll use CapCut for editing. Open CapCut, and import all of your video clips one by one. Arrange them in the correct order, then add the AI voiceover to the timeline. After that, go to the Animations and Effects section and apply any transitions or effects you like to make the video more engaging and professional. Once you've finished editing, your video is complete and ready to upload. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll be back with another new AI video creation method in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.